raffle prize, what's to eat, at dyan ang inyong raffle stock, at saka ang inyong valid item.
Yes, that's correct, Marsha. Okay, for our last guideline, for the minor prizes, meron po tayong 5 kilos sack of rice na mapapanalunan ng 20 lucky MCOs per district. So, meron tayong 10 district, which means per district, 20 yan. So, walang kawawa per district this afternoon dahil lahat ng districts may mapapanalunang 5 kilos ng bigas at 20